The final votes are in. Most administration-favored candidates dominated the 2019 senatorial elections. Re-electionist Senator Cynthia Villar topped the 2019 senatorial race with 25.2 million votes. She dislodged former top-notcher and another re-electionist Senator Grace Poe, who received 22 million votes. They are followed by Bongo, Pia Cayetano, Bato de la Rosa, Sonny Angara, Lito Lapid, Amy Marcos, Francis Tolentino, Coco Pimentel, and Bong Revilla at 11th place. Surviving at the 12th and last spot is re-electionist Senator Nancy Binay with 14.5 million votes. She beat Senator J.V. Ejercito by 191,000 votes. Ejercito has only 14.3 million votes. The tallying of final results was delayed as Comelec waited for the returns from the United States. They waited for more than 11 hours after canvassing the votes from Saudi Arabia Tuesday afternoon. The results were finalized at past 1 in the morning, and the returns from the US didn't seem to affect the results. The proclamation of senators will happen at 10 in the morning, followed by winning party list groups at 7 in the evening. Among the top 3 winners are ACT-CIS, Bayan Muna, and Ako Bicol. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.